Yeah. Yeah. Bitch, what you doing? Oh, bitch. None of that. Go ahead, shot, man. Go ahead, shot, man.
No. She beat the shit out of
Oh, shit.
I was gonna get this ass whipped. Oh, yeah.
Quit it, Austin, quit.
Yeah, quit, Austin. You got your ass.
Shit. Get him. Get him. Wait, who? Them two. What, man?
So you told me beating the shit out of that big ass.
Huh?
I beat the shit
I
out of
think I got a piece of it.
Nah, I beat his ass.
Oh, shit. We're about to jump this man. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That man funny as shit.
This bitch ass top. He's a bitch. He top. He top.
You a bitch, huh?
And your hair leaking white shit. What the fuck is wrong?
Talking to him and shit? Oh.
He about to die and shit with the white shit on his head and shit. Fuck, he think it's Halloween and shit.
Oh, shit.
This big tomato head ass. Fuck, you talking about?
He said he had tomato.
Big bear looking ass. Fuck, you talking about? Goretti looking ass. Car like shit. Big boss looking ass. Like shit, you ass.
Oh, shit.
This is Kim cutting the shit out of leather big ass. AKA Tub. AKA y'all barrel like shit.
Look at his ass.
This big hand ass can't fight worth shit. Knock his ass out, George. Like the band the bitch out like shit. He gonna get his ass beat by everybody tonight. I beat the shit out of him. George about to dog his ass.
Look how his ass moves.
He bullshit. He said, he said,
he snuck it out. Oh, shit.
Whole time I felt like he was calling Taylor to help him like this. Man down, man down. Man down, bitch, man down. That boy in distress. I'm about to get his ass whooped again.
I'm cold, bitch. You talk.
I was about to get his ass popped. Oh, shit.
Oh, no, you got that.
He
Oh, shit.
Who? At least I ain't cop. I kept going back at his ass. Like
shit. You weren't going to fuck till you was fucking in the tub.
So I wasn't going to, no, so I wasn't going to stop. I don't give a fuck about wearing wax on, as you can see. I was going to stop till I whipped his ass on.
So you're not going to whip his ass.
I see he's strong as shit, motherfucking Ninja Turtle face ass. Next mutant ninja turtle. Boom.
What's up?
His linebacker looking ass. I ain't messing with his
strong ass.
Peanut head ass. He look like a motherfucker, the Slim Jim man like shit. Scream like shit. What's that? Leprechaun looking ass. Oh, here he comes. We must stop zoning now. Osman still getting his ass beat 1-on-1. Now 1-on-2 like shit. Damn, he about to mix and bix his ass. He about to mix and bix his ass.
Mix and bix, son.
Hey, Big Bag, get the fuck from over here. Your Journal fucking ass. Journal butt, baby.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, shit.
Woo. Hey, this
I'm hip.
This over there doing some motherfucking Power Ranger shit. Karate chopping and shit. Karate kid fighting ass. Like shit, boy. I'm saying for you. Hey, press. He was fighting for his life. Like shit.
What was that kung fu shit?
Look, you thought you was a ninja?
No, man, that's what you.
Motherfucking Power Ranger nigga. No, the fuck you don't know. This what you do right here. Kickbox.
Do it again. What is it called?
Fuck that ass up. That's what that's called. Bitch.
Oh shit.
All right.
She rocking
That's how
shit.
you do it, son.
All right. The dog has shit coming in the auditorium.
I love with a long dick look like the dick. Still long dick. 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 That's right, son. Let's start selling the shit out the motherfucking words.
Oh shit. Wait.